Peace, love, and light, healing through inspiration. Got out the shower, my hair is dripping. You know what I'm saying? Hair is wet. I just rinsed out because I left the coat. I took the avocado out of my hair. You know what I'm saying? And that I put in there for, I think it was like 2 days. So it's like really 3 days because it's like 12. It's like noon. No, not even noon. It's 12 a.m. Like just turned 12 a.m. So basically like 3 days or so. It was supposed to be like 2 days. So, but it was literally lapped over to like 3. So it's a little bit less than 3, 2. But as far as on the date time, I don't want to get it to. I'm calculating this stuff. This is how you know I do a lot of thinking about that. But yeah, that's how it is. My hair feels lighter, obviously, because I think because I needed to, I needed to rinse it because I have my hair just a lot, and not, I was just putting oil. I was putting oil with that, and I wasn't getting it, water because I was doing it. I had a desired hairstyle, of course. But yeah, it's wet now. I think I'm gonna decide what I'm gonna do with it next. I'm gonna decide what I do with it next. As far as I think I might 2-strand twist it from here, or not. I don't know, or I might just come up. But I do have a new hairstyle that I have coming in the future. I'm gonna try it. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gonna see that. Y'all probably gonna see the results. And I'm not sure if y'all might see me making it, cause we upload every single day, and like the editing, and we do a lot of other things too. So it's like for us to be editing. I could have my editor. Just a thought. But hey, like I said. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see the hair. How's it look? Is it like hydrated? Is it? You know what I'm saying? My hair does feel like rather refreshing. And I tell you, when I put that avocado in, man, it was like real cool and refreshing, you hear me? Like, it was like what I needed. Now I take it out. But now my hair feels lighter. I had 3-strand twists. I think some of them came a little loose as I rinsed it. It's all right. But I will give y'all two a tip. This is a little bonus tip. People don't notice, like if you want your hair, to still get the look like it's got locks or whatever, like twist, but you don't want your hair to lock up. You just get your hair wet, and you still can get like the look without it locking up. You know what I'm saying? Or getting closer to locking up. You know what I mean? But yeah. There's the video. I just want to share that. But y'all know if y'all want to book a consultation, you can do that by sending us a DM on Instagram at Healing Through Inspiration. If you're not following us already, go make sure you guys go do that. We post down there regular. You know what I'm saying? Or you can just send us an email at info@healingthroughinspiration.com with the subject consultation. Go ahead and check that links in the description box. We got our one-of-a-kind apparel artwork at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. Lots of great things for you guys too in the description box for those who want to make a change. We got a course, business course for you guys that we even took. It's pretty awesome. But yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, share, hit the bell notification. Daily uploads. Peace, love, and light.